Hello gamers, in this video I will go through some of the best solutions that we can how to fix the Crew 2 crashing after selecting Continue in the main menu on PC. Let's get started. Solution 1. Verify game files. First open Ubisoft Connect or Steam, depending on where you purchased the game. Next find the Crew 2 in your game library. Now right-click and select Verify Files. Verify integrity of game files. Solution 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website for your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download and install the latest drivers for your specific model. Solution 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Crew 2 executable or shortcut. Select Run as administrator. Solution 4. Just in-game graphics settings. Lower graphics quality settings. Try running the game in windowed mode instead of full screen. Solution 5. Clear shader cache. Navigate to folders as shown. Now we'll reach the Crew 2 folder. Now delete the cache folder. Now restart the game. Solution 6. Restart your PC. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Crew 2. Hope these solutions helps you resolve your issue from fixing the Crew 2 crashing after selecting Continue in the main menu on PC. Let's get started.